So, Reverend, so we would like to know about one of the most popular deities of Japan, Fudo Myoo. Fudo Myoo is a very important deity. In English, they say wisdom king. But tell us, what is Fudo Myoo? Please tell us all about it.
Okay, so Fudo Myoo is, you said, one of the wisdom king. And so he's one of the deity represented a strong power. He has a fire in his back and he has an angry face. And we use his mantra for Goma ritual service and use his strong guidance and achieve the people's wishes. So he belongs to Kongo deity. So I mentioned he has the strong face. So he has a strong power. Even the people need a more strong, the strong guidance to go the right way, proper way. Fudo Myoo can do that. So people say Fudo Myoo looks like very scared, angry face because of. People say sometimes I can see like an evil, but he's a deity helping the people. Helping the people, and has an angry face. I could explain why he has an angry face. So when people had bad things, when he was a child, especially, the parents, they going to scold the child. Don't do that. Why you did it? So with angry face. But parents has different mind. They want to have a good future for you. That's why they scold you. To fix your mistakes. So because of that, you can see why Buddha, the one of the deity, has angry face. And why people pray for him at the spiritual service.
So, but Fudo Myoo is essentially the same thing as a Dainichi Nyorai, as you said?
Yes. Dainichi Nyorai always transfer to different shape for appropriate. So I mentioned the Fudo Myoo is very strong. The people who very struggle, they need a strong guidance. This service is very strong. We use a strong deity. We do have a Bosatsu, Bodhisattva, Jizo Bodhisattva, Kannon Bodhisattva. Usually, most of the temple has a statue in the outside. You can see it, this temple as well. So mostly the Buddhism statue has a very calm face, Buddha face. But the strong power makes little different. Angry face, people can more feel the strong expression. So we use this strong deity, and the famous one, Fudo Myoo. It's very famous in Japan.
So in other words, we are some people, including myself, who is a child, and I might need strong parents to scold me. Otherwise, I will be straight away from a teaching of Buddha. Is that correct?
Yes, Buddha is the existence giving some guidance and knowledge to you. And I definitely say the moment the parents are giving you the guidance and the wisdom, they are Buddha. So has angry face Buddha? The angry face that does express a strong feeling, how strong they willing to help you. You can see the same idea in Fudo Myoo's idea.
Mm-hmm. Yes. It's a little confusing here, I think, because you say Fudo Myoo is like a wisdom king, but at the same time Buddha. I hope some people, or everybody, can understand this difficult concept. I hope.
I hope so too.